Government's counter to that extradition revoking order by the Lisbon High Court. Abu Salem is an Indian, say government sources, in our custody, and no Portuguese order can change that. Let's go across to Megha Prasad for more on that, and we'll also try and get the government's viewpoint from Nikunj in just a bit. Megha, can you tell us more?
Well, what we know as of now, of course, we've been reporting about the order of the Portugal court, the tribunal there. In fact, what we do understand after speaking with the lawyers of Abu Salem and with the people who've been associated with this investigation and the entire extradition process of Abu Salem, what we do understand is that right now there is a very, very remote possibility, as many people were saying, that after the extradition has been terminated, it means that there's a huge possibility of him being sent back to Portugal, but that does not seem to be happening anytime soon. It's a very, very remote possibility. Of course, the CBI has just issued a statement saying it's just a matter of interpretation how we're looking at this particular order of the Portugal court, and that, of course, it will be contested by the government of India. What we do also understand is that because it deals with the entire process of extradition, Abu Salem being sent back is, of course, not a possibility at all right now. But, of course, as he's been contesting the charges that have been put on him, both in the cases, the extortion cases in Delhi, also the cases here in Mumbai. He's been contesting all of that ever since 1990. In fact, for the last 3-4 years, he's been contesting these charges in different courts.
Megha, just hold your thoughts. We're also joined by Nikunj Garg for more from the government's point of view. Nikunj, he had filed an appeal in the past also, which was rejected by the Supreme Court, isn't it? And even though the Ministry of External Affairs is going to file an appeal into the Portuguese court, but they feel that the government this time is on a more secure wicket, especially the CBI?
Well, Anand, yes, I have just had a chat with the top officials and the political in charge of the Central Bureau of Investigation also. I've just had a chat just some 20 odd minutes ago, and they very categorically told me that Abu Salem is an Indian citizen. He's accused of crimes in India, not in Portugal. And they say that the international law is very, very clear. Under any given law, under any given circumstance, once a person has been accused of crimes and very serious offences of terror, of extortion, of kidnapping, he is liable to be prosecuted in India. And it is not that Government of India as a sovereign nation has tried purposefully to violate the guarantees that were extended while trying to extradite Abu Salem from Portugal. Government of India at every given instance has been trying to obey, trying to live up to its pledge that was made to the Portuguese Supreme Court, while Government of India won that case of his extradition over to India. Now they say that there may be a ruling that has come from the Portuguese High Court. The order needs to be studied in detail, but nonetheless, from the Government of India's point of view, one word is final. Nothing. No order from any court of law, be it from Portugal, be it from European Union, is going to change the legal status of Abu Salem, which is one of a under trial prisoner facing the law for his alleged crimes and very serious offences against Indian citizens in India, and he would remain in the custody of Government of India. Anand?
Right, Nikunj, thanks for your inputs. Megha Prasad, thank you for your input. So very clearly the government's turn on their footing that they will keep Abu Salem in India.